back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. So today I'm going to be showing you how you can achieve this Sarah Sanderson makeup look from Hocus Pocus. I've been so excited to turn myself into these Sanderson sisters, and Sarah is probably my favorite Sanderson sister. I just absolutely love her. I love how fun she is and how crazy she is, and she's just a good time. She has a nice personality, you know? If you're not already, definitely make sure that you are subscribed to my YouTube channel because I'm going to be uploading a new Halloween themed makeup tutorial every weekday for the entire month of October, so you guys definitely don't want to miss it. Also, I'm doing a huge Halloween giveaway here on my channel, so make sure you stick around to the end of the video to see more information on how you can enter in the giveaway because the deadline is starting to come up pretty fast. So anyways, with that being said, if you guys are interested in seeing how you can achieve this Sarah Sanderson makeup look, then just keep watching. Hey Spoops, so to get started, I'm first going to be popping in some light blue contact lenses before going into my Fenty Skin sunscreen and applying this over my face to help moisturize it. I'm then going to be going into my Buckle Bunny Beauty Sheer Perfection Primer and applying this all over my face as well. I'm then going to be going into my Becca Cosmetics Under Eye Highlight, and I'm going to be applying this under my eyes to help brighten it before going into my Milani Supercharged Concealer in Peach, and I'm going to be applying this under my eyes as well to help color correct. I'm then going to be going into my MAC Cosmetics Strobe Cream, and I'm going to be applying this to my cheekbones to give my face a little bit more of a glow before going into my Anastasia Beverly Hills Luminous Foundation in the shade 220N and applying that all over my face with my IT Cosmetics Airbrush Blurring Foundation Brush. I'm then going to be going into my Buckle Bunny Beauty Cream to Powder Foundation in Mocha, and I'm going to be using this as a cream contour, so I'm going to be applying this to the areas that I would like to add some shadow. So this is going to be under my cheekbones, my forehead, and my jawline, and then I'm just going to be going ahead and blending that out. I'm then going to be highlighting my face, so I'm going to be taking my ColourPop No Filter Concealer in number 14 and applying this under my eyes and to my forehead before making sure to go ahead and blend this out. I'm then going to be setting my face with my Airspun Translucent Powder, focusing especially under the eyes, before moving on to eyebrows, where I'm going to be starting off by taking my NYX Precision Brow Pencil in black, and I'm just going to be going ahead and lightly filling in my eyebrows before filling in the arch of my brows with my Buckle Bunny Beauty Loretta Brow Wow Pomade, and then setting my brow hairs with my 24-Hour Brow Setter from Benefit Cosmetics. I'm then going to be going into my KVD Beauty Shade and Light Contour Palette, taking this contour color, and I'm going to be applying this to the areas that we applied the cream contour. And not only is this going to help set the cream contour from earlier, but it's also going to help give a little bit more definition to our face as well. We are also going to go ahead and bronze up our face with our Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer before going into the banana color from the KVD Contour Palette, and we're going to be applying this under our eyes to help brighten them. For my blush, I'm going into my ColourPop Cosmetics Disney Kissin' a Frog blush and applying this to the apples of my cheeks and blending that up my cheekbones, and then I'm going to be applying a little bit of that over my nose and to my chin as well. I'm then going to be going into my Revlon Skin Lights Prismatic Highlighter, and I'm going to be applying this to my cheekbones and bringing this down the bridge of my nose before taking my Smashbox 24-Hour Photo Finish Primer and just priming my eyelids. I'm then going to be taking my Disney ColourPop Hocus Pocus Gather Round Sisters palette, and I'm going to be taking Full Moon and applying this all over my eyes before going into Hello Salem, and I'm going to be applying this to the outer corner of my eye and blending that inwards, and also making sure to bring that down to my lower lash line as well. I am then going to be taking On Toast, and I'm going to be starting off by applying this all over my eyelid before lightly bringing this up the side of my nose and blending this in to the front part of my eyebrows, and you also want to bring this down to your lower lash line as well. We're then going to be doing the same thing with Coven. We're going to be applying it all over our eyelid and blending this upwards into our eyebrows at the inner corner of our eye. You want to make sure to leave the outer part of your eyelid open, the one that is right under the arch of your eyebrow, but we're going to be blending into that. So then we're going to be going into Night of Frolic, and we're going to be applying this in the same manner, but this is going to help bring some of those berry red tones into the look before going into I Call It a Bus, and this is what's really going to help make this eye a smoky eye. So you're going to be applying this all over your eyelid, blending this up into the front part of your eyebrow, and then applying this to your lower lash line too. We then want to highlight our brow bone with Full Moon, and we're just going to be applying this right under the arch of our brow before going into our L'Oreal Focus Me eyeliner in charcoal and just going ahead and tightlining our waterline before going into our Anastasia Beverly Hills liquid black eyeliner and just tightlining our upper lash line before going ahead and prepping our eyelashes by curling them, and then going into our Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara and sweeping this through our upper and our lower eyelashes. For my false eyelashes, I'm going to be taking my Kiss number 11 lashes, and I'm just going to be applying that to my upper lash line before going into lips. I'm going to be taking my Sarah Sanderson lip kit, taking Lucky Rat Tail, and going ahead and outlining my lips. And then once that is completed, I'm going to be going into my Sarah lipstick and applying this over my lips as well. And last but not least, I'm going back into my Anastasia Beverly Hills liquid black eyeliner, and I'm going to be creating a beauty mark just to the right of my lips. And that is my completed Sarah Sanderson makeup look from Hocus Pocus. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed it. Leave a comment down below if you'd like to see next. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and subscribe to my channel if you want to see more of my videos. Also, if you haven't already, please consider supporting me on Patreon. You can support me for as little as $1 a month and receive all exclusive behind the scenes sneak peeks of upcoming makeup tutorials before anybody else, and it really does help support me and my channel. So once again, thank you all so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye! Hey Spoops, cutting in for a minute to tell you how you can enter in my Halloween giveaway worth over $200, where one of you will be winning all of these Halloween makeup goodies. This giveaway is going on from October 1st to October 31st at midnight, aka like November 1st at midnight, like in between, that in between space, that one. So in order to enter into my giveaway, you first need to be subscribed to my YouTube channel. Next is to leave a comment on my 2021 Halloween makeup tutorials. My Halloween makeup tutorials that I'm going to be uploading this month, it's ideally going to be one every weekday for the entire month of October, which comes out to 21 makeup tutorials. They are the tutorials that I'm going to be selecting the winner from. And the way that I'm going to be doing it is 21 makeup tutorials. I'm going to number them 1 through 21 and have a random number generator select a random number between 1 and 21, and I'm going to select that video associated with that number and have a random comment generator select a comment from that video. You can most definitely comment on all of my videos, and that gives you the best chance of entering, because that way you consistently have a comment on every single video, so that way whenever the video is picked randomly, you are definitely entered in that area. Third is you definitely need to make sure that whenever you leave a comment, this is very important, that you leave your Instagram handle tagged in the comment. I'm going to be DMing the winner through Instagram, so definitely make sure that your profile is public on Halloween, so that way I can DM you and let you know that you won. But I will need to be able to find you. If I click on your comment, I'm gonna need to be able to find you, so please leave your Instagram handles in the comments whenever you leave a comment throughout the entire month, just because I want to be able to message you and let you know that you won, because otherwise I won't really have a way to get a hold of you. And last but not least, this is unfortunately only open to US residents only. This is the first giveaway that I am doing. I would really love to open it up internationally in the future. However, because this is the first giveaway, I want to make sure that it goes well, so I'm going to leave it US only for now, and then hopefully in future giveaways I can make it international. And because I'm not sure if I need to say this or not, no purchase is necessary in order to enter to win, and we will only be having one winner for all of these fun Halloween goodies. So I'm so excited. Once again, thank you guys so much for supporting me, and back to the video.